He was just on a rock. He was swimming all the way down here. Get away, midges. Oh, I haven't put my midgie spray on. Oh, where have you gone, you little mink? Where are you? Where have you gone? Little mink. He was beautiful. You're bloody watching me. I know you are. He was swimming down here, from rock to rock and running over rocks. Oh, you could be miles away. He's here. If he jumps out and attacks me, I'm not going to be very happy. Oh, gutted. Oh shit, my bloody car door's open. Oh, really gutted about that. I've only gone and seen him. Oh no, I hope the camera can pick that up. He's, oh, there. Look at him swimming upriver. Oh, dare I get closer? I can't even see the screen. There he is, right in the centre. Coming towards me. He just stood up on that rock. He's beautiful. Is he going to get up on? Yeah, look at that. He gets up on the rock. Look at him, beautiful. I'm going to try and get a bit closer. I might scare him away. I hide behind this tree. Where are you? There he is. Oh, I hope you can see him on that rock. See if we can get closer. He's going to dive up the river now. The camera's looking at it. I can't see. I can't see nothing. Oh, I got him. There we go. He's up for a swim. He's crossing the river. He's getting up onto another rock now. He's looking for that fish jumping. Yeah, he's gone underwater. I can get closer. Oh, I'm on my other phone. And my kettle. My kettle's on. Where have you gone? I can hear my kettle if it goes. He's going to jump up on that rock in a minute. There he is. Follow the ferret. Follow the ferret. I want him to come over onto these rocks here. Oh, my kettle's bound to be boiled. There he is. I knew he'd jump up on that second one. I'm going to stop my kettle and run back down here. You never know. Or do I? Do I get closer? I can get closer. But it means walking round. Well, my kettle would have boiled by then. No, he's going upriver. I could tell the way he was diving. Oh, do I risk it? The kettle or the ferret? I can't hear the kettle. Where's he going? Where are you? He's coming up closer to me. Kettle's going to steam my car out. What? Look at him gliding. He's a strong swimmer, he is. He's after... Look at these little ducklings. Don't go after the ducklings. Yeah, he's on that rock now. He better not go for one of those ducklings. Where's he gone? Where's he gone? There he is. Yeah, Mum's warning them. Mum's giving out the warning. Look, the ducklings are there. The ferret's there. He's following. He's keeping hot on their trail. I don't know if you can see that or not. Oh, he's making a beeline for them. Wow. Look, Mum's. Look. Look at the duck. Mum knows. Wow. Mum knows what the ferret was after. The ferret's just here. We'll follow. The kettle's boiling. I can hear my kettle, but it's so tense down by the riverside. This is what nature's all about. The ferret really wants the ducklings. He wants to go in for the kill. He knows his prey. He's hunting it down. Mummy duck won't have it. Mummy duck's not going to have it. Let's find a way. Mummy duck to the rescue. No, ferret is. Ferret's disappeared. Whoa, that was tense. Let's go to the kettle. That's even more tenser. The gas ran out. The bloody gas ran out!